Everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know what you should be doing if your World Bank credit card is declined. So if your World Bank credit card is declined, then what you can do is, in order to fix it, first of all, if a cardholder's transaction is declined, and one of the following decline codes will appear along with the authorization information within the RBC Next Login Card Management module. So you can go ahead and re-enter that, or you can go ahead and enter that, and you should be able to fix it. Or else, if the decline code is not on the list, or you require assistance, you need to contact the commercial card client support at the toll-free number that must be located at the back of the card. Ask the customer care to state about to look into your matter. So by following this step, you should have successfully fixed your card decline issue on World Bank. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.